Hey everyone, my name is Kyla Alexander, and this speech is about myself. I recently can relate closely to a short story called Feeling Lost and Alone in the Middle of Nowhere, mainly because that's how I was feeling during the time, during a good portion of my life. Um, well, how I used to be is kind of difficult to explain. I was closely I was closed off and not very talkative. I wanted to be in the background mostly. I was extremely shy and gullible. I was a people pleaser as well, but now I feel as though I completely changed. I am now I just I don't know if it's for the better or worse. Cause I can get it can be exhausting sometimes, like always wanting to go out and always trying to find someone to hang out with. But I am more open to meeting new people. I like being out all the time. I like trying new things. How I want to be is more social and more outgoing. I want to be doing a ton of things. I want to be prideful and confident. And I most of all want to be able to forgive everyone because of them. I am who I am and I'm proud of who I am. All of these changes have forced me to be more mature in a wild way, but hopefully in a more honest way.